Hello Raider Nation, it's One Man, One Camera. Today is Friday, April 3rd, about 10 minutes to 4 in the afternoon. I got here oh so late. Right now, I'm down here at the Raiders HQ. It is a nice day, a little bit breezy, kind of hazy for the clouds, but let's see what's going on. And right away, I can see they have the Las Vegas Raiders sign up. And if you hear a little creaky noise right now, it's the sprinkler system coming. It's the sprinkler system coming on right now over here by the Toronto Bakery. All right, you guys, let's see what's going on. So I just got here. I rode down all the way by myself. This time it was about 14 miles. I'm a little tired, all right? Anyway, let's see what's going on. Now, when I got here, some guys were on the field and they were doing something driving back and forth, and I don't know why, but it looked interesting, but I don't know exactly what they were doing. Okay, so I changed to the zoom lens to get a close up what these guys are doing down there, and what is that rope doing? Let's see. Let's go up. Can't tell from there. What's going on with this thing? Oh, it's behind the wall, so we can't see. Oh well. But it appears to be 3 different ropes hanging down. At least 3 different ropes hanging down. And they're doing something, but I cannot tell exactly what they're doing. Well, they're standing around. That's one thing, but probably something else. Okay, oh well. Now this blue line right here is probably the edge of the field for when they put the sod down. That might be the edge of it. Okay, now what is that thing right there? Some sort of tripod thing, tripod measuring something. Hey, what's that guy doing? Now on this other level, you got a guy right there. What is he doing? Oh, however, anyway, they do have the, it does say Las Vegas Raiders now, which is nice. I think the Intermountain name was to go somewhere over here. I think the rendering said that. I believe Intermountain Healthcare Performance Center. Quite the mouthful. All right. It was kind of warm. It's late in the afternoon, so I don't know how many guys or how much of the crew will be here today. I guess it's about 4 o'clock, and I always thought these guys got in early, you know, did their 8, 9, 10 hours, and then got out, you know, as fast as they could. I'm not sure. Now, to the back of the field house, there is some activity. What are they doing back there? Let's see. They're digging something. Not sure. Really wide shovels. If anybody has an idea what they're doing, please say comment in below. I'm sorry, if anyone has any idea what's going on over there, please leave a comment below. Let's just swing back over to the Raiders side. I thought I saw some activity over there just above the sign, but I was mistaken. Okay. Oh, okay. Some guys there, as before. Okay, well, we are south of the structure, and this big brown patch, empty area right now will be the field. Well, the 1, 2, 3 football fields right here for practice. So I can't wait to see the green. But the only thing is, I imagine that once everything's all set up, there'll probably be a fence around it, and you know, any kind of videoing and pictures from the street, you know, will be effectively eliminated. All right, there's a shot of the Allegiant Stadium, which is whatever 12 miles or so away as the crow flies. It's not a bad view. And if we pull back and then go to the right, you see all of our lovely casinos, Delano, Mandalay Bay, and so on and so on. And there's that hill, Practice Hill, I'm not really sure yet. And then there are the guys working on, what are they digging? Still can't exactly see. We are digging something up, you know, but I don't know exactly what they're doing. They're spreading dirt around. Like I said, those are wide shovels. If anyone knows, like I said, if anyone knows, please give a comment in the description below. All right, now let's take a look at this field house. There's the back area, proper storage, and then the main body of the field house. There's no glass on this side. When I was coming in, I believe I saw some glass, you know, on that side, on the northern side. Huh. Interesting, eh? Yep. Rocks, 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 rocks. And welcome to Toronto, Nevada Baking. I wish these guys had a little outlet out here. I bought some bread before I went home. Haha, oh well. All right, let's move over to the eastern side of the building. All right, let's go. Wait a minute, I think this guy, is he dumping off dirt for them? Or something? Ah, well. I can't tell from here. Oh, I see the guys in the background carrying the lunch boxes home. Lunch boxes, they're coolers. It must be 4:04 in the afternoon. There's I guess the 4 o'clock whistle's on the blink. All right, anyway, we'll change positions, okay? Let's go. Okay, I moved over to the eastern side of the building, and check it out. It looks like they are making a little wall along Executive Drive. See that right there? So that wall looks pretty low to me right now, and maybe it'll be higher later on, but it does look low to me. So, well, anyway, got the Las Vegas Raiders sign up there. That's good. No logo yet. And like I mentioned earlier, the Intermountain Performance Center sign is not there. The Fieldhouse wall on the southern side is not complete. But this is interesting how you can see straight through now, everything, but I do imagine, you know, they have to have a wall up here or something, you know, because they'll be practicing and running their plays, I imagine, and they don't want folks trying to steal their stuff, looky-loos and so on. So, there you go. Now, as far as this season goes, with all the mess going on, I wonder if we will have a, what do you say, a delayed season, a truncated season, you know, or no season at all. Because, you know, with the Olympics being canceled and other events being canceled still, I wonder if, you know, if football will even have a year this year. So, I don't know, you guys, let's just hope for the best, right? Let's hope everyone gets well, and well, let's hope this virus plays out or burns out and stays burnt out and people can get back to regular lives, because this is really, you know, killing folks. Economically also, as well as physically. It does look good, all right? Hey. It does look pretty good. All right, let's go up north a little bit. Just hold on. Back in a flash. Hey, check it out. So you see that blue line and those sprinklers going on right now. I wonder when the sod is due here. I thought it was being grown in California. That's what I heard. and they're watering this thing down right now. I'm not sure why they would. If anyone has an idea as why they're watering this area, which would be those 3 football fields for practice, do let us know, because I am not sure why they would. This is a dust thing, because it's a little breezy right now. Maybe the one with dust flying around getting into the guys' faces. That could be it. But I'm just surprised to see any water being spilled right now. And I believe it's the first time I've seen any kind of watering going on over there. Not that it is the first time, it's the first time I've seen it. So, interesting. All right, let's keep going. Okay, now we are directly in front of the entrance of the Raiders HQ. And like I said, no logo yet. Waiting for that. And back to this little small, back to the wall they're making. So, start zooming in and out. You see these bars going up and down. And this looks like a staging area for some of the blocks. I hear a chopper above me. Some more blocks. And then some more bars up and down, more blocks, a tractor. Okay. Now, see, that's the wall. That looks entirely too small for a facility like this. Too small or not high enough. So I imagine it will be at least a 6 foot or what, 6 foot to 8 foot wall, surrounding the place. I could be wrong, but I would not be surprised. I really wouldn't, because if they don't, they would probably have looky-loos just standing around over here watching the guys train, and it probably cause a traffic jam because there really is no parking on this street. Yeah. So I imagine it'll be a very tall wall. Okay. All right. There you go. Let's go back to the front of the building. Try to pan real slow. Don't want to give you guys motion sickness. All right. Let's see. Now, this is looking pretty good. Let's just zoom out a bit. Oh, security. All right. Okay. So you can see you got the glass going in. So the glass is in. There's the main entrance. So this is April, beginning of April. They were due to be, I think they were due to move in, the staff, in the middle of June, I think that was. With the good old pandemic, I don't know if their schedule's the same or it's been changed or not. Yeah? Okay. Oh, hey, check it out. It has an address now. In case you're wondering, it's 1475. Hey. All right. 1475 Executive Drive? Hang on a second. What's the name of the street? Okay, so it's 1475 Executive Airport Drive. That is the address of the Raiders headquarters. All right. We should also like postcards saying, good luck, this year, knock 'em dead, see you at Allegiant Stadium. I think it'd be pretty cool. I might send one. I just might do that. So 1475 Executive Airport Drive, Raiders HQ. All right, hey. So send in your postcards, love letters, whatever you want. Okay? All right, let's keep going. All right, I moved a little bit northeast of the place. There's our lovely sign, future home of the Raiders. Sorry, future home of the Las Vegas Raiders. And there's the address again, 1475. All right, cool. And a bicyclist. All right, now check it out. We have glass on the balcony to prevent anyone falling over. That's good. And then check it out. I see glass. Hey, excellent. And more glass and more glass. So it looks like the northern side of the Fieldhouse has all the glass installed, which is nice. I'm glad that milestone was hit. So it is looking pretty good. It is looking very, very nice. All right, try to zoom in, and there we have the M Resort, which looks to be the official Raiders hotel. When they have games in town, all the team will stay there. And there is like a Raiders bar being built, but during these times, I'm not gonna go inside. I probably can't get inside anyway. So